Welcome to Cyber Basics. This is the first episode of our series where we'll break down the fundamental concepts of the tech world. Whether you're new to computers or looking to refresh your knowledge, this series is for you. I'm your host, and today we're starting with the basics, an introduction to computers and how they connect to the internet. So, what is a computer? At its core, a computer is an electronic device that processes data, performs calculations, and executes commands based on instructions from software programs. Computers come in various forms, including desktops, laptops, tablets, and even smartphones. They consist of key components like the central processing unit or CPU memory, often referred to as RAM, and storage devices. How do computers connect to the internet? The connection can be made using wired methods like Ethernet cables or wirelessly through Wi-Fi. The internet connection at home typically involves a router and a modem. The modem connects to your internet service provider, or ISP, and translates data from your ISP into a format your router can distribute to your devices. The router then creates a local network and manages traffic between your devices and the internet. The internet works by transmitting data between your computer and servers around the world. When you type a web address into your browser, your computer sends a request to a domain name system or DNS server, which translates the web address into an IP address. This IP address tells your computer where to find the server hosting the website. Data is then exchanged in small packets, traveling through various network nodes and routers until it reaches its destination. This process happens almost instantaneously, allowing you to access information from anywhere in the world. Understanding how computers connect to the internet is fundamental to navigating our digital world. From streaming movies and sending emails to online banking and remote work, internet connectivity plays a crucial role in our daily lives. With this knowledge, you'll be better equipped to protect your personal information and recognize potential security threats. In the upcoming episodes of our Cyber Basics series, we'll dive deeper into various aspects of computer and network security. Here's a sneak peek at what's coming next. Understanding IP addresses and DNS, basic internet security concepts, common types of malware, and much more. Stay tuned and subscribe to Cyber Basics to continue your journey into the fascinating world of cybersecurity. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future episodes. See you next time.